Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing eco-friendly craft DIY tutorials like the jewelry, the ring, earrings from the clay, the paper clay. Showing you how to make this beautiful air dry clay and paper clay bracelet. It's so simple, so easy, anyone can do it. So without further ado, let's get straight with today's tutorial. Consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we will gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. You how to make this beautiful blue and red colored air dry clay and paper clay bracelet. So simple, so easy. So let's get straight with today's tutorial. First of all, what are the materials required for making the bracelet? You're gonna need a paper clay, and okay, then you're gonna need an air dry clay. This is a gray air dry clay. You're gonna also going to need a water. Then you're gonna need a working mat, a set of the instruments to work with, elastic thread to engage with the bracelet and to make the bracelet, and some colors. These are the materials required for making a bracelet. Take this paper clay. Okay, I'm gonna add water to it, and then I'm gonna be adding air dry clay powder here, adding some pieces of the paper clay to it so that I can make the paper and air dry clay mixture. So I have created the hole using this needle holder in all these beads. I'm going to leave them drying for 1 or 2 days, and then we will going to actually color them, glitter them, and complete with the bracelet tutorial at the elastics. We have finished with this beads for the bracelet. You can see these are completely dry right now. I'm going to be using natural vegan nail paint to color them. It's optional part. If you don't want to color them, you can leave it like that. Only you can attach the elastic thread and wire elements, and you can finish up the bracelet. But I'm going to completely dry right now. It's ready to finish up with the tutorial. So I'm going to take this elastic thread for finishing up with the bracelet. You can take whatever thread you want to take. You can take a wire as well if you want to. So I'm going to just take it and to secure a note. End result of this beautiful paper clay and air dry clay bracelet. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.